Hello everybody, my name is Phil. Welcome back to Miranda Detailing. In today's video, in today's video, we're going to be doing a follow-up video on two of the vehicles that we coated using CarPro CQuartz UK Edition 3.0, as well as treating all the plastics with CarPro Deluxe. And then we're going to show you how to maintain the coatings using CarPro Reload. So guys, if you remember on our channel a few months back, we coated two different vehicles with the CarPro CQuartz coating, which this is one of my favorite coatings. It is so easy to use and the results are amazing. Now, the first vehicle that we're going to show you is a little Mazda Mx-5. It's a beautiful cherry red color and it's an older vehicle, but the customer wanted it protected. So we did a full wash, we deconned it, and then we polished it with CarPro Essence. And that was just a paint enhancement or a one-step polish with this product. So I highly recommend this product for paint enhancements or one-step polishing, especially if you're going to be applying the CQuartz coating. It's very easy to work with, it produces a super high gloss, and it preps the surface for the coating. Now these vehicles are daily driven, and the Mazda, it was about 4 to 5 months before we did the maintenance wash, but the minivan that we're going to show you has been about 8 months. So you're going to see how these coatings react in the real world on daily drivers. So let's get into the video.
So guys, it was a hot, humid day, and we're looking around the vehicle before we wash it. It's daily driven, but it's not in horrible shape. You can still see that it retains its gloss. So let's get to just rinsing the vehicle first and see how the coatings react. So as you can see, the paint already looks amazing. The windshield was coated with G-Technic G5, and the paint all the way down to the bottom is beading and sheeting like crazy. Now that's a great sign. Now let's get to washing the vehicle. So we're going to foam it down, do our traditional wash, then we're going to clean the wheels and give it a rinse and see how the coating looks after. Now the soap we're using is just Chemical Guy's Citrus Washing Gloss. It's a simple soap, it cleans well, and for maintenance washes, I love it. You can choose whatever shampoo you want to use. If you want to use CarPro Reset, that's up to you. I'm also not using any harsh chemicals to clean the wheels or rinse down the paint. It's just a basic maintenance wash with a gentle shampoo. And still, the beading is amazing. So I'm very happy with the way that this coating is holding up. Even on the trim, it's beading water. So now that everything is clean, we're going to use CarPro Reload and just add a thin application just to dry the paint and add another layer of protection. Now with CarPro Reload, you need just a little bit. It goes a long way, and it's great as a drying aid. And it goes on all surfaces: the paint, the plastic, the trim, and glass. As you can see, the trim is holding up extremely well. If you want to check out the video that we did on the red Mazda, I'll have it up in the card. Now we transition over to the minivan. Now this minivan was also coated around the same time, but it's been about 8+ months. However, look at the paint. The coating is holding up beautifully, still holding strong. Now after the wash, just like the Mazda, we dry the paint using microfiber towels and CarPro Reload. It's such a great drying aid, and it does add that layer of protection until the next time we see it. You can also use reload on your wheels. So these wheels were coated with CarPro Deluxe, and they're still holding strong. So another application is just going to give it another layer of protection. Now the trim looks amazing, and now the paint is super glossy and ready to go.
All right, guys, so what do you think? I am super impressed with the coating, both the paint coating and the trim coating and the wheel coating, because this is a unique kind of product here. It can be used on both the painted wheels as well as the plastic trim. Same goes with the paint. You saw how well it protected, and that was on top of the CarPro Essence, which is their primer polish. So that's how I use it. I let it sit on there for 24 hours without eraser or an IPA to wipe down the surface, if you so choose. Or you can just wait a few hours and do a light wipe down with their CarPro eraser or an IPA of your choice, and then go straight to the coating. But I do like to give it some time to fully cure, because this does have a base layer of SiO2 in it, so it prepares the surface for the coating. And as you saw, it didn't have any durability problems at all. So we're constantly maintaining these vehicles, and we're gonna see them through the lifetime of the coating. And then you notice how we protect and maintain the vehicle using CarPro Reload. Such an easy product to use. It's super versatile. It goes on paint, plastic, glass, anything, and it's very easy to apply. So just be wary with this. If you do apply too much, there will be a little bit of smearing, so just use it sparingly. So guys, if you want to pick up all the CarPro products like these that we just showcased, then go to Car Supply's warehouse. You can buy all the CarPro products there, as well as any of your microfiber applicator and towel needs, as well as a bunch of other detailing products. So check out the links down below. I'll have all these things listed there. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like it, share it with others who may enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. That way you get notifications each time these videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great week.